Hello everyone and welcome back. First, I want to thank my loving wife for putting out a video last week while I was sick. So now, let's get started. The other day, I was discussing with my students and used an idiom that describes the act of paying for something. To foot the bill. To foot the bill means to pay or settle an account, to cover the cost of something, like in a restaurant bill, damages to something, or a reoccurring charge. The salesman told the clients at dinner that he would foot the bill. Although Kim was accepted into Harvard, her parents are unable to foot the bill for tuition. The rental company told the customer he would have to foot the bill for any damages to the car that weren't already recorded. And in addition to foot the bill, we can use the phrases to pick up the check and to pick up the tab. And when we're done at the restaurant, or when we are requesting our friends or family or someone else to help pay, we can use the phrases ante up, which is informal and means to produce or pay one's share. He anteed up his half of the bill. Or cough up, an informal way to demand others start producing their share of a bill. After dinner, Carl was handed a $400 bill, so he told everyone at the table to cough up their share. I hope you enjoyed this video on a couple of expressions or useful expressions on paying for something. If you have any questions or requests, leave a comment below for us to reply to. If you are on Facebook or YouTube, like and share our video. If you'd like to receive information from YouTube every time we release a new video, subscribe to our channel. Also, to receive one email every Monday with exercises to practice the subjects you watched, go ahead and subscribe to our preferential list. Have a fantastic week and keep connected to our channel. Ciao!